I'm going to show you how to make this fun crochet flower, and you can attach the keyring to it. We will be using size 4 yarn and 4mm crochet hook. Start with making a magic circle and make 6 single crochet stitches into your magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the circle. Next round we'll make increased stitches into every stitch. So you'll make 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch of a round below, and I'd like to mark my first stitch so I know when I've finished the round. So that's 1, 2, and then 2 into the next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next round we will do a single crochet followed by an increase. So you do 1 single crochet first, and then into the next one there's 2 single crochets, which is increase stitch, and you'll keep repeating this all the way around, and you will have 18 stitches after finishing this round. Next round we will make single crochet and then increase stitch, and then another single crochet. So you will repeat this all the way around, single crochet first, then the increase stitch, and then another single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have 24 stitches. Next round we will make single crochet stitches all the way around. So you will be making 24 single crochet stitches. When you get to the end of this round, fast enough, and cut your yarn. Now you have to make same again. So make another circle just like this one, and then I'll show you how you start adding the petals. Made your 2 circles. We will start attaching them together with your new colour. Your circles will have a right side and the wrong side. So place the wrong sides together so that the right sides are facing outside, and we will make a single crochets all the way through both sides of your work. So you will be getting your yarn through side one that's facing you and the second one as well. So let's get your colour and start with make chain 1. That does not count as a stitch, and then make a single crochet into the same stitch. And now just very carefully keep going through both sides of your work, making 1 single crochet into each stitch. all the way around, but stop when you get to 20 stitches. Don't close your circle just yet, because we will add a little bit of stuffing as well. When you've done the 20 stitches around, you can just tuck in these ends and also add a little bit of stuffing. And now we will finish closing this gap. Single crochet all the way to the end. And then slip stitch into the very first single crochet what you made. Next round we will be making 3 single crochet stitches into each of the stitches. So just start making 3 single crochets into each stitch, but if you mark the first one it's easier to know when you've done, when you got all the way around. So just keep making single crochet stitches into each stitch from the round below. When you made it all the way around, back to your stitch marker, slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 3, and the next round you will be making 3 double crochet stitches into each of the stitch. So we can count this as the first double crochet, then yarn over, go back into the same stitch, go through 2 loops and then go through the next 2 loops and again. So you will end up with 3 double crochet stitches in all of the stitches on the round below. Just keep repeating this all the way around and I will meet you at the end. When you've done your last 3 double crochet stitches, you will slip stitch on the top of the beginning chain 3 just to finish off. Now you can attach your key ring if you would like to. We'll do chain 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip first 3 chains from your hook and slip stitch back towards your flower. Until you get to the end, and then you fasten off and hide that tail. And this little bit of a space what you created by skipping the 3 stitches would be perfect to attach your keyring attachment. Just feed it through.